Do a burnout, bro. Do a burnout, man.
Too many cops.
Yeah, boy, do a burnout. Yeah! Nice. Whipple. Nice build.
That's quite a rig you got there.
Yeah, that's quite a rig you got there. How much horsepower is that?
1,000.
1,000 horsepower. Holy.
And it's got two fuel systems, so I can run pump gas
Yeah.
for 750 and then race gas for 1,000. A Hellcat that's stroke to 7 liters, so 426.
426, yeah.
Forged. And it's got a Whipple 3-liter blower.
Yeah.
And it's running 22 pounds of boost.
22 pounds of boost.
Yeah.
So it's all all the internals are done?
All forged, yeah.
All forged, yeah.
You can't get any better upgrades than this thing. So I ran Arrington, Canada as well, so we
Yeah.
imported all the Arrington products. So
Have you ran it on a track?
not with this new engine.
Yeah. Oh, it's brand new.
It's got 5 kilometers on it.
5 kilometers. Holy, I think that's too much. I think that's high mileage though.
Probably the longest distance was from the trailer to here.
Yeah.
It's been on, yeah.
That's crazy.
So yeah, 2 fuel systems. So yeah, you can run on C16.
Yeah.
And then from in the car, flip it to pump gas.
Yeah. Okay.
And it's got all the Hellcat cooling and things like that. So.
Okay. What train are you using?
It's still a NAG 1, but it's called a Super Pro.
Still a NAG 1?
Yeah.
Super Pro.
I'm at the limit of it though.
Yeah.
So,
What's the limit? What is the limit of a NAG 1?
around 900.
900 horsepower?
At the wheels.
Oh, okay.
It's more torque though.
Yeah.
Torque is what trannies brake on.
So what's so special about this NAG 1? And
Well, there's better ones now.
there's yeah.
I mean, the 8-speed now is better.
Yeah.
I mean, at the time though,
Yeah.
this was the best you could get.
Yeah.
Now, time progresses. And,
Oh, okay. What's the rear end on it?
It's a Ford 9-inch.
Ford 9-inch?
Yeah.
Oh, you're running Ford 9-inch
Oh, yeah,
as
you
well.
got it.
Yeah, I know. Is that fact? That's a fact, eh?
I broke the gate track. They last up to around 700, 750, and then they
Yeah.
they just obliterate. Yeah.
Yeah, that's unfortunate, but it's
Yeah.
okay.
You get older than I am.
These 2 cars were built the same week.
The same week?
Yeah. It was Monday and I was Wednesday.
I heard this one did an 8.
Yeah.
Was it an 8? I heard the news. Yeah. Okay. That is crazy.
Yeah, no, it's quite a machine.
Yeah. The Magnum?
Solid axle.
Solid axle?
Yeah.
Is that the only change?
That's the only material change. Yeah.
Okay. How was your year? You were around, yeah. Like, how was your year? Like drag racing?
This past year?
Yeah.
It was terrific. I reset the naturally aspirated record for the 2003 related chassis, like the Magnums, Chargers,
Yeah.
300s, or Challengers.
Nice.
So I have a great competitor and a friend on the West Coast.
Yeah.
His handle is Red Baron, and he had an 874, and I managed to get an 8668.
Really?
So
phenomenal.
So we had a good year with that.
Awesome. Well, I'll let you go. I'll talk to you later, but good luck.
Thank you very much. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
All right. See you later. pumping right off to the sides, like from the header?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Nice.
When I was down on the side there, I was like feeling it all on my leg here, right?
Yeah. Is that a 6.1 naturally aspirated though?
No,
What
it's a Mopar performance block.
Nice.
It's 450 cubes. I don't know what that is. Years.
Yeah.
It's like 8, I guess, something like that.
Where'd you get that? Did you order it online? Is it?
No, my mechanic got out of Ohio.
Really?
It's one of the early Mopar aluminum blocks.
Yeah. And I heard it's 8 second car.
Not quite yet.
Not quite yet?
9.1 at the moment. It's
9.1.
I haven't had the rear suspension is not tracking straight, so I haven't been able to do a complete pass yet.
What's the original, like, was it an 06 Magnum?
It's an 06 SRT8 I bought new.
Wow.
Grimsby Chrysler.
Yeah. Did you like totally gut it and then like rebuild it from the bottom
No, in
up?
the beginning it was a bling car. I had 22s on it. I had screens in the headrest. I had LEDs. I had speakers. It was like all accessorized, right?
Yeah.
And then somewhere along the way, I went to a track I hadn't raced until late in maybe 08, something like maybe 07.
Yeah.
Then I got the hook, and then we just gradually.
And Bob's your uncle right there.
Yeah.
And what's the tranny in there? Is it a Nag 1?
No, it's a 727 Pro Trans 727 racing transmission. Yeah.
Holy, is that
an air shifter.
4 gears in there? Like 3.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
And then with the rear end,
The rear end is a 4.9-inch. It's still independent suspension with a 4.9-inch.
A 4.9-inch.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then a carbon fiber drive shaft.
That's amazing. So is that the goal? 8 seconds?
8 seconds.
That's what you're gonna get?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'd really love to get the 88 out of it.
Yeah.
I think it's got the potential.
Yeah.
My short times and my recent launches off foot brake are rivaling my trans brake launches before.
Yeah, that air filter is pretty unique too.
Yeah,
like that air grabber thing.
Yeah.
That's custom. Like I'm assuming.
That's all custom. But it's inspired by the drag pack Challengers, the previous generation drag pack Challengers.
Right.
They had that.
Oh, did they?
And I actually bought one, had a carbon fiber one, and we used that to start that design.
Okay, gotcha. So is this just for track?
It's only track now. It's not street race.
Do you so you trailer it everywhere?
My trailer. That's my regular.
That's your. Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing.
So,
Hemi tuner. Eh?
that's what it looked like before I did the wrap.
Yeah.
So we're getting there.
Cool. Thank you.
Thanks for the.
Yeah.
Oh, cool, man. It's just a normal morning startup.
Just slight weight
Crazy,
reduction.
eh?
Just slight weight reduction.
Slight? What are you talking about?
Is that on regular gas?
Oh, I'm not sure. That's a good question. Huh. Oh, there's Neil over there.
No, I took my things off right away.
Did you? No way. Yeah?
Covers.
Yeah?
This is wild.
Yeah.